Cub Cadet's FastAttach Blade system is one of the most unique and innovative designs in outdoor power equipment, allowing you to quickly and easily change your blades in just minutes. So when it comes to changing blades on your mower, it's important that you first take the proper steps to clean the underside of the deck, as grass buildup can affect how easily you're able to remove and reinstall your blades. We recommend performing some basic maintenance after each mowing cycle so that the FastAttach Blade system works properly. It's best to start by removing heavy debris and grass from underneath the deck, particularly by the blade collar. Use a stiff bristle brush or rag to help loosen grass buildup around the spindle and collar area. This is especially important for units equipped with FastAttach Blade technology. To ensure that grass does not accumulate under the deck, it's strongly recommended that you use the SmartJet high-pressure deck washing system after each use. At a minimum, the system should be used prior to removing or changing FastAttach blades. If you find that the blades are still not rotating properly when trying to remove the blades, you can engage the power takeoff for 30 seconds. Then, while on a level surface, turn the unit off and disconnect the spark plug before trying to change the blades. Keep in mind that the collar needs to be pushed up to its highest position before the FastAttach blade can be rotated and removed. Any debris preventing the collar from being pushed upward to its highest position must be cleared away. Following these tips will help keep your Cub Cadet's FastAttach Blade system working smoothly year after year.